got this one right. And if they ask us where we've been hiding, we'll just shake our heads.
Welcome to our house.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth.
Come in. We have our home office here. Come inside and show them. So this is our home office. Then immediately we come inside. On the left, we have our kitchen, our beautifully made kitchen. And here is the microwave, our oven.
Or do voiceover.
Okay. So opposite the kitchen, you have the garage here. This is our garage, 2-car garage here. So, and opposite the garage, you have the restroom, the toilet, and the shower. Close the door. And this is the visitor's room. So this comes with a walk-in closet. So if you come to our house, you rest assured that you'll be very comfortable. And you have a lot of space to store your properties.
Seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone.
And this is our living area. Comes with a fireplace. Here we also have the dining space here. So here is the dining space, and over here we have the living area. And close to the stairs, you get your laundry room. This is the washer and the dryer, with some extra spaces here, extra cabinets for your storage. Go to the primary bedroom. Okay, sorry, first off we have an extra space here. And this is the primary bedroom. This is our primary bedroom, that's the master's bedroom. And this is the bathroom. We have our shower and our bathtub here. And we also have our walk-in closet here. As you can see, there's a lot of space. We know how we share it when we move here. So this is the toilet, the restroom. Feeling cutie. This is a bathtub. In case you want to distress yourself. The master's bathroom comes with
Just
sink.
take your time.
And this is the shower.
This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
And now we are going upstairs.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself.
And this is the in room, also known as the common room. Here we have another restroom. But this one is just a bathtub, a water closet. And look at this big, beautiful mirror.
But don't mistake this girl for being me.
Here is the third room. This will be the kids' room.
Else I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream moves. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams.
This is our backyard.
Living in my dreams, living in my dreams.